To fix a Verizon router that won't connect to the internet, start by confirming that all cables are securely connected. If any cables are loose, secure them and try connecting again. If this doesn't resolve the issue, try using other devices, such as a phone or laptop, to connect to the same network. This will help rule out broader internet connectivity issues. If other devices connect successfully, try power cycling the router by unplugging it for at least 30 seconds and then plugging it back in, which can resolve temporary connectivity issues. If the router still fails to connect, use a web browser to check if the firmware is up to date, and update it if necessary. As a last resort, you can reset the router, but be aware that this will erase all customized settings and restore the router to its default settings. If you continue to experience connection issues, you can reach out to Verizon's support team through their website, where you can access a chat feature to speak with customer support.